Hello, my name is Shay and we're about to do a gummy Lunchable.
Hi, my name is Janaya and we're going to do a Lunchable. We're going to be trying it.
This is how it looks. She's going to open it.
Okay guys, we opened it. What's in the box? These are crackers. These are the ham. These are the cheeses. And my auntie's going to open it.
What a struggle. Oh my gosh.
My auntie's getting a struggle. Okay. We have ours. So we're about to build them. So this is what I have. I have white cheese. I got pink ham, and I got crackers. But my auntie's gonna do something different.
I have red meat. This is the crackers and this is the cheese.
So
let's build. Crust the cracker go first.
Okay, yeah. Crust the cracker. Just like that.
This is the cheese. This the ham. No, ham won't go first on mine. Then the cheese.
Mine's is gonna be different. It's gonna be different.
That's crazy. Okay, we got a Big Mac over here.
A Big Mac. See, we got our Big Macs. See, let me show you mine first. You can see it better. But I have the crackers, cheese, the meat, and that's all I have.
Oh, there you go. Y'all can see it real good now. Now I'm about to try it.
So we're gonna try it.
First bite goes first.
Okay. So we're gonna squish it. Squishing it real hard.
I made mine smaller because, you know, still gotta eat when I get home. Okay,
Same.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. The meat is totally good. But the cheese, I don't know about the cheese. It tastes like Play-Doh a little bit.
This smells like Play-Doh. So I give this a 10 out of 10.
I'll get this a 9 out of 10.
Could you explain why?
Because I like the crackers, I like the meat, but kinda like the cheese because it tastes like Play-Doh to me. So I get that and then it's in.
Test it individually. This is the meat, but you know, it's a gummy version of meat. Candy version. Tastes good separately. I'll try it again, but like a different Lunchable gummy. Like we did the first one.
Yep.
I just have to drop that video.
When we get finished, we are gonna say bye to y'all. for our video. And we're just gonna say, comment down below and what we're gonna do next.
See y'all in a few seconds.